Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my new nail care routine for 2021. This is what I've been doing every time I change my nails, and a few steps that are like every other time. So if I'm going to whiten my nails, I'm going to use a whitening toothpaste. So that's what I'm showing here. On clean bare nails, this is how you're going to want to start. Filing your nails, go side to side, you know, abrasively if you want, to take length away, and file in one direction to just file the nail. So that's a little tip there. I just wanted to share. I didn't need to file my nails. I just wanted to share that tip with you. Back and forth to take length off, one direction just to file. Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. I do this like every other week, every 2 weeks kind of thing. And I will push my cuticles back with a metal cuticle pusher. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just giving you an example because this particular week was not a taking cuticles off, but I still wanted to share. A serum I like to use on my nails is Pro FX Get Youthful Serum, and it's basically a cuticle oil with some other vitamins and stuff in them, and I will use this on my nails, let it set for 10-15 minutes, and then wash it off. Start with clean nails before applying any of your grow treatments, nail treatments, base coats, all that. So I've been using the LA Colors Mega Grow, which I've done a review on. This stuff is fantastic. It's not too thick of a formula. It's not too thin. It goes on nicely. It has a little bit of a tint to it, but not really. It's almost invisible when you get it on your nails. It dries quickly as well. All of these nail products from LA Colors do. And you'll see me apply this from the cuticle area all the way to the tip of the nail, and always capping my free edge with every coat of polish that I use. So I'm going to apply a thick layer of this, and I'm going to allow that 5 minutes to dry. And this product has phenomenal results, as you can see. That's what I wanted to share. I'm going to link that video in the cards for you guys to check out. And the next layer of polish I apply is the LA Colors Super Strength, just to add some more strength and stability to my nails. Same thing, cuticle up to the tip and capping the free edge, and I'm going to allow this about 5 minutes to dry in between every coat that I do. And then the LA Colors base and top coat, I only use this for my base coat. This is a little bit thicker than the other two treatments I shared with you guys, and I like that though. And this is going to allow me to have another layer of strength to my nail, and not only that, this is going to be the base for the color I'm going to use, so my nail polish has something to grab onto and will last longer. Now this is a step where if I was going to apply a color nail polish, that I would do that now, allow it time to dry, a couple coats, top coat it, and move on. Instead, today I'm going to be using the cuticle oil. So this is where I just apply all of my polishes, allow them time to dry, and I hydrate my cuticles. I just wasn't ready for polish yet. I wanted to still share all the steps I do and the products I use so you guys can get an idea. I'm loving those Blossom products as well. And I am going to share a few honorable mention products. If I'm wanting something thicker than a cuticle oil, I will use this AOA Studio Balm. And this is great, very thick, it's scented, it's like very, very thick. If I'm having any problems with my nails, I always turn to this L'Oreal Advanced Pro formula for rebuilding nails. If I have splitting, peeling, breaking, and start to see signs of that, I always go to this product. And I also like to use the hemp daily oil sometimes in conjunction with my other Mega Grow products, because this will help your nails grow. So I like this product as well. Nail polish removers, I've since moved on from 100% acetone. I moved on to this lavender scented advanced nail polish remover from Equate, and this stuff is awesome. It's not too abrasive, it has oils in it, it's very nourishing for your nails, and my nails have definitely less breaks because of it and peeling. And I'm also been using and testing out the Blossom All Natural Nail Polish Remover. This is great if you just like cream nail polishes, sheer nail polishes. It doesn't do great removing glitters and gels and things like that, in my opinion. And here are my nails natural. One of them has the coats of layers of polish on them, and the other one doesn't clearly. In the end, this is my nail care routine. I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you found it helpful. We'll maybe implement some of these steps into yours. If you have any comments, questions regarding nails, please leave them in the comment section below. I thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to check that description box for additional links, as well as all the playlists that will kind of correlate with this video. And thank you so much for watching.